Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today you can see more of my face and body, but we are going to do my first unboxing because I got packaging today. So I was like, why don't we do unboxing? So let me go get stuff. So first thing I got my box is this John Cena Pop toy. Looks really good. I'm gonna open it. Open this. It looks nice. Heads moves. So, yep, this is the John Cena Pop character. These are the things in the back, the other ones. So, second, I got another pop figure. It's the Macho Man, Randy Savage. Macho Man, yeah. Let's open this up. These are the ones in the back of it. Yep, this is his face. That's how it looks. Looks nice. Face moves too. Go, put that there. And the last thing I got is the John Cena. This one's first series, and then this one's second series. And the last thing I got, the new John Cena action figure. John Cena. These are the people in the back. So, let me open him up real quick. I do not want to do that. Yeah. I'm going to open this character up. Open. I've got the older John Cena character. Let me go get him. Back. This is the old John Cena character. Came with a belt. Like a cheap plastic belt. This is the new John Cena. Old one, new one. This is Seminole Colors. This one's Miami. So, yep, I got a new John Cena. So that was my unboxing. Let me get my drink. I'm going to put a link description in this video of the vlog I did earlier. What's the pizza box they gave us? It's really good. I'm going to make a challenge about it. Me and my mom's going to do it. Stick football challenge. Be prepared to that in a couple days. So hope y'all guys enjoy this video. Link comment below if you liked it or not. So I'll see you next time. And remember, this channel is awesome. Bye guys.